Influence, become a leader, persuasive role model, and powerful influencer. Written by Jonathan Phoenix. Narrated by Alex Lancer. Copyright 2020. All rights reserved. Influence, the science behind leadership and creating followers. Written by Jonathan Phoenix. Narrated by Alex Lancer. Copyright 2020. All rights reserved. Chapter 1. The science behind why people follow the crowd. It could seem that we are in control of our thoughts and behavior. However, social psychology tells a completely different story. Social psychology is specified as the scientific research of how we think of, influence, and connect to one another. As humans, we are social beings. Lots of us communicate with others each day, spending large portions of our waking hours in some form of communication. One lesson from social psychology is the influence others have on us. Research shows we do not have as much power over our thoughts and behavior as we think. We take cues from our environment, specifically others, on how to act. How groups influence us. Consider the concept of group polarization. The idea is that like-minded people in a group enhance one another's perspectives. Group polarization reinforces the viewpoints of everyone in the group. In a study by French psychologists Serge Moscovici and Marissa Zavalloni, researchers asked individuals some questions. First and foremost, scientists inquired about their opinion of the French president. Second, they asked about their mindset toward Americans. The scientists then asked the participants to talk about each subject as a group. After a conversation, groups who held a tentative agreement ended up being more extreme in their viewpoints. For example, participants held somewhat favorable attitudes toward the French president, but their attitudes amplified as group members consulted with one another. They held slightly lack of confidences to Americans, but their mindsets heightened as each member learned others shared their views about their allies abroad. The researchers concluded, group agreement appears to induce a real change of mindsets, in which subjects are very likely to adopt more severe positions. When we see our unsure opinions showed back to us, our beliefs reinforce. Lots of us also enjoy being with others who share comparable.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?